Yamaha develops its oil alongside the engine it will be used in. Motorcycle engine oil typically circulates the engine while performing multiple tasks in about 10 seconds. Also, with automatic models like scooters, their RPM range and heat generation subjects each drop of oil to extremely high stresses. Besides motorcycles, Yamaha produces engines for products like outboard motors, ATVs, and snowmobiles, which see even harder use in harsher environments. For a Yamaha engine to deliver 100% of its performance potential even in tough environments, its design and construction are key, but the oil aiding their operation is equally vital. So, the engineers who know Yamaha engines and their requirements best should develop the oil they will use at the same time. This is why Yamaha considers oil to be a liquid engine component. To deliver 100% of the performance the engine is designed for, engineers that understand both mechanical engineering and chemistry develop Yamalube oils at the same time as the engine. To develop Yamalube oils, we put into numerical form the performance level required, as well as the base oil quality and additive blend to achieve it, and give that to the oil company. At times, we will create an experimental oil blend in-house to ask the oil company to create an oil with even better performance. Today, the performance of an oil can be gauged by simply examining its specifications based on our wealth of data compiled over the years. But before that became possible, extensive bench testing of actual engines was critical. To ensure the engine stays in the best condition and returns everyone safely to port, Yamaha engineers have the lives of the people who will rely on it in mind as they work. The Yamalube story began with Yamaha's entry in the Road Racing World Championship. Instead of pushing forward with conventional gasoline oil lubrication, Yamaha developed a separate automatic oil injection system and achieved positive results. Adapting this technology for production motorcycles, Yamaha developed the Autolube system as the world's first separate automatic oil injection system for motorcycles. Autolube was revolutionary and changed the industry, but Yamaha naturally knew that drawing out its full potential would require equally revolutionary changes in the oil. So, Yamaha set to work on developing oil specifically meant for the Autolube system. This resulted in the creation and sale of Yamaha Autolube oil, which showed almost no change in viscosity even at -28 degrees Celsius. These efforts were the origin of our future genuine Yamaha oil development and what birthed the Yamaha practice of developing oil alongside our engines. In 1967, marketing of genuine Yamaha oil for motorcycles under the Yamalube brand name began in the US. Later, oil for outboard motors began using the Yamalube brand as well. And finally, in 1992, Yamalube became a unified global brand. Yamalube oils are developed alongside Yamaha engines to be an ideal match. With the rider field test for Yamalube oils meant for supersport models, we see that the oil is drawing out the engine's full potential. And in a 300-hour engine bench test, big differences in sludge accumulation between Yamalube and other brands can be seen. All Yamalube 4-stroke motorcycle oils meet JASO T903 regulations, which are more suited to motorcycles than the API standards for car oils. But only oils that also clear our much stricter in-house standards can be marketed as the liquid engine component that is genuine Yamaha oil. It is not unusual for a marine engine to be run at full throttle for hours on end, and any engine trouble or breakdown out on the water can put passengers in much greater risk than on land. Yamalube for marine engines is developed to exceed international standards. For it goes without saying that we see reliability as a paramount requirement. Our snowmobile engines and oils are developed with tests in cold rooms exceeding minus 40 degrees Celsius temperatures. From there, repeated real-world tests in extreme cold environments are run and eventually result in a new, genuine Yamaha oil for snowmobiles. Yamalube brings out 100% of a Yamaha's performance and is a brand found the world over. Yamalube, a liquid engine component directly from our engine builders.